Welcome everyone. If you want to get the Earth Wallpaper on either an Android device or an iPhone which did not get iOS 16, the first step is you're going to open up a browser, in my case Safari, and you just want to search for iOS 16 Earth Wallpaper. You're then going to filter by images, so just tap on the image button here. You should see something like this, official iOS 16 wallpaper. Tap on this one, and now we have one example of the Earth image. We're going to slide up and we should be brought to the website here. And now you can see all of the Earth wallpapers, even the moon wallpapers, are fully available. So when it comes to iOS, you just long press on the image and then you'll see here, save the photos. You tap on this one. On Android, you'll need to long press on the image, then tap on download image, and then it will save to the DCIM download in your device. Okay, from here you just need to find where the wallpaper is located. So in my case, I open up the Photos app, I find the image right here. Again, if you're on an Android, you'll open up a file manager, either My Files or Files app by Google. You go to DCIM, you go to download, you'll see this image right here. So in the case of the iPhones, to set the wallpaper, you tap on the share icon. It's actually going to work, took a while there. And then you can see here, users wallpaper, you tap on this one. In the case of Android, you'd have to go to the wallpaper area of the settings app and then select the image from DCIM download. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.